Angle? You ready to do a review? Alright. In the left corner, we've got Ice Mountain. And in the right corner, we've got Glacier Mist. What you think? Come here. What do we got here, huh? Yeah, see that one too. Looks like we have a winner. Ice Mountain for the win.